So here our today's question is from quadratic equation continuation, sixth question. Find the value of k. Here we have to find the value of k if 2 is one of the roots. So 2 is one of the roots of this quadratic equation. That is nothing but we can substitute 2 at the place of x so that we can get the value of k. So can you tell me the value of k? By just substituting 2 square you will get 4, then 2k minus 2k plus 6, 4 plus 6 you will get 10, then you can send that side 2 in division, then 2 ones are 2 5s are, okay, minus minus gets cancelled. So I'm going to show you the solution now. So like this you can solve and you can find the value of 5. Now I'm going to show you in the next question. Can you guess the value of x and y? Here you can see in a rectangle is given AB equals to x plus y and BC. So you all know that rectangle is having 4 sides, opposite sides are equal. Okay, here the values of sides are given as in variables and here in numbers it is given. So find the value of x and y. How you can find the value of x and y? First think over it, and then I'm going to show you the solution, because first you need to see the question and understand the question, then try to solve the problem. Okay, in the beginning I have given you the hint that in rectangle opposite sides are equal. So here like this you can draw rectangle and here opposite sides are equal. That means you can convert this into the equation x minus y equals to 3 and x plus y equals to 9. Here you will get the two equations, okay, linear equations, because the degree of the polynomial is 1. So after solving those two equations you will get the answer like this: x plus y equals to 9, x minus y equals to 3, y gets cancelled, 2x equals to 12 you will get, 2 you can send that side, you will get 2 1s are 2 6 are 12, x value you will get what, like this: x plus y is equals to 9, x minus y equals to 3. This 2 gets cancelled, elimination method, 2x equals to 12. For this x equals to 12 by 2, 2 1s are 2 6 are, x value you will get 6. So you can substitute this in the first equation, that is 6 plus y equals to 9. Send the 6 that side, you will get y, 9 minus 6 you will get 3. Why? Since you have tried to two pairs of opposite sides are equal in rectangle, then you can write this. After solving above equations we get x equals to 6 and y equals to 3.